Go deep, Emma.
The
Go deep.
first one drawn gets first choice. That's the way we do it here. Okay?
Ready.
And some of the things like plates, if there are 3 or 4, they're identical.
Let's go ahead.
That's
Go
a
ahead.
set.
Action.
And take them all.
Go ahead.
Okay, Emma. You can read the number loud and clear.
Last read you the last 3 numbers.
Last 3 numbers.
538.
Right here.
538.
Okay, so what do I do with the card?
Just set
You
it
can
up.
put it on the table.
And we will proceed, but if you're the next one, you can't cut in line ahead of our winner there. She gets to peruse.
Who does?
All
Okay,
right.
next.
Okay, Emma, you're on.
No looking.
Last 3 numbers, in order.
5, 5, 4, 2.
5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2. You have to be here to win.
Yay!
Oh.
Ooh.
Who got that?
Mary Glaze.
Oh, Mary. Mary, is this your first time in the winner's circle? I don't think so.
Didn't you want tonight I yelled bingo?
You won 7.
That was so embarrassing.
Did you get your stuff already?
Yeah.
You got a bunch of coffee there and your bird feed. Okay, here's another one.
I didn't buy the other stuff.
5, 5, 3, 1.
5, 3, 1.
All right.
Right here.
Good job. Go for it.
With that beautiful turquoise number. A couple of weeks ago, we gave away, or months ago, meetings ago, gold earrings.
Gold earrings.
One was, like you'd have loved them, one was hummingbirds.
They were beautiful.
They were donated by Buck Kopitz, who was one of our founders, who has moved out to New Mexico. And if you ever want to go out and see some hummingbirds, I'll put you in touch with Buck, and I'm serious. And he will guide you as to where to see these hummingbirds. Do you remember that?
Yeah, my parents will.
Yeah.
In case we have a next.
She's probably not driving.
All right, another one. Well, we believe you, Mary. You don't have to give us your card. You just won. Go ahead.
7, 2, 1.
7.
I know.
7, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Is that Linda? How about that?
A newbie, yeah.
All the rest of their lives.
Yeah.
And also about this, if anybody is moving and trying to get rid of their stuff,
Yes.
a lot of our stuff was donated by people who were moving into a different situation and needed the room. That's actually what started the whole thing. Was a guy had a beautiful little wall thing, and he gave it to us at Brioni's and said, if anybody in your burgers outfit wants it, we thought, well, we didn't want to fight over it, so that's what started the raffle idea.
Good idea.
Okay, Emma, you're on.
Number 5.
Number 5.
5, 2, 5.
5, 2, 5.
Ooh.
Linda, wonderful.
Excellent.
Good job.